board. Watch Kelder Brown. Watch Kelder.
If you fly to this event, you will be kicked off the property.
Right side with a 448 at 154.
In the release it says no drone footage.
I'm gonna lie to you, sir.
Okay,
I just talked to
there's no drone footage allowed.
Even if Evan gets told not to.
No, I am really good with you, and I just talked for 20 minutes. I want No, this is a Midwest drag racing series. They do not allow drone footage. We will not allow it.
5 points. Come right off with it.
Good, one time.
Facebook, Jerry, and all the things. They have got an angle thing on trailer, Jerry.
Were you here last year also?
Yeah, I was here last
And
year.
I told you last year.
I talked to Evan just a while ago.
Mustang, I'm sorry, I can't tell from here. I have to say that my favorite non-Fox body Mustang is a 67 or 8. Look at that. Exactly. No, I always...
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.